Hi there, it's Scott, aka Sketchy McDoodles. Today I'm excited, a package has arrived. Before I show you what it is, I'm going to give you kind of a backstory. So, 10 days ago I think it was, one of my favorite YouTubers and artists, he goes by the name of Jazza, J-A-Z-Z-A. He put out a video, and it was a bit of a sad video. It turns out that with tariffs and things that are going on in the world right now, you see he supports his channel by creating these kind of kits. It's one of the ways he supports his channel, and he puts together these kits for sketching, building, drawing, all types of stuff, painting, and he partners with other companies that high-end products that are really nice, good quality products. And he partners with several different companies, and he puts these things together in a kit. And he's able to do that at a lower cost because he's producing, volumes of them and promoting these companies as well. And so he's able to produce these really high quality kits for a very reasonable price. He wants them to be attainable to everyone. He wants everyone to be able to afford these things. So that's what he works to do. But he, with the current situation with tariffs and everything, his latest kit that he's created, he's not able to release because in order to bring them into the United States or to ship them many places, the cost would be so high that it wouldn't be worth the value that he's trying to provide, and it just wouldn't work out. So he's had to delay that, which has been a financial problem for sure, having that money tied up in the product and not being able to sell it, as well as prior to that, the previous kit that he had put together, the company that he was partnered up with, one of the major manufacturers, was having some very big financial problems, and he had no idea that there was these huge financial problems going on with this other company, this manufacturer, and he ended up getting a raw deal out of that and losing money there. So that was the kit prior to his latest one. And then the kit prior to that kit, he produced a bunch of them and they just didn't sell well. And so he's had like these 3 hits in a row. Many of his kits have sold well. In fact, the one that he ended up getting hosed over, the one before his latest one, where the company went under and didn't say anything. That was a kit that I really wanted to get. I just didn't get into it in time. It was like a $200 and some kit for the products that were in it. And it was he was selling it for I think $79 or $99, and just had very high quality sketching materials and portfolios, and I really wanted that one. Didn't get in on that one. So anyway, he put out a video 10 days ago explaining that he's not doing well financially, and he wants to keep continuing to make these YouTube videos, and I sure want him to as well. His content is amazing. Jazza does, he's a dabbler, man. He's a dabbler. If something looks like fun, he's gonna try it. Arts and crafts wise. I've seen him do stuff with chainsaw carving. I've seen him do stuff with a lot of epoxy stuff or acrylic stuff. I just watched him today do a video where he tries to paint along with Bob Ross, but not seeing what Bob Ross is doing. He's just got the audio. And it was very entertaining. And let me tell you, I learned that if you're going to paint along with Bob Ross, amazing guy, it's very important that you can see what he's doing, because he's not describing it super well. It's a very entertaining video. If you've not checked out Jazza, please check him out. So anyway, back to the kits. So part of recouping from his recent financial issues and trying to keep his channel going and providing high quality content, much better than what you'll see on my channel. He took one of his kits, and the one that just didn't sell well, and in order to move forward, he needs to, you know, liquidate these things, a fire sale, if you will. And so he put these kits out there, and he asked his followers and patrons to consider purchasing them, and he put them out there at a price of $29. Now, he's got, just to make this kit, it cost him $65, and he was selling them for, I think, $99 to help support the channel. So he's selling them now for less than half of what he's paid for them, just to cut a loss and keep revenue going, and to move product out and make room for new stuff. And he could have been selling these at full price, and I would have paid it just to help the guy out. I mean, if you find someone who's inspired you, or who you've benefited from their YouTube channel or artwork, or in some way you've benefited from them, then for me, I feel like I want to give back to that person. I want to help them continue to do that, and I want them to be able to succeed, and I want to see more of their stuff. And so if he would have been like, hey, I've got to sell these, they're $99, I would have hopped right over, bought one, and just to help out someone that I look up to, and who has provided me many hours of entertainment and inspiration. So, without further ado, that's kind of the backstory, and I'm going to go ahead and reveal the kit that I got. Are you ready? I'm ready. All right. Dun, 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 dun. This is the Customize It kit from Jazza. I've not opened it. I wanted to open it with you, and it's a heavy box. It's a heavy box. I can tell you, I have looked at the outside, and his artwork on the outside is really cool. This is a nicely made package that he's put together, Jazza Studios. Just the box alone is really cool. A lot of animation going on there. Let's open it up. Oh, it's tricky to open. Upon opening, oh well, here we go. I already know it's going to be good, because as soon as you open it, the flaps on the inside say that it's awesome. So there you go. I guess we can end the video. There's really no need to look any further. Okay, we'll look further. All right, so right on top here, we have, this flap is going to get in my way. That's fine. We have a Customize It guidebook from Jazza. Everything you need to know to make custom creations. Oh, and it's color. And looks like there's a lot of blending tips, a lot of idea starters, some lettering advice. This is I will be looking through that. Very cool, very cool. So you get the customizing kit, and you get something to get you started, which is very helpful. Let's look what's next. This is okay, so in the Customize It kit, there are items you can customize that come with the kit. And one of them is this little skateboard deck kit. So you can paint up your own little skateboards. That's pretty cool. There are some brushes, paint brushes included. There is an infinite square. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that on the back. This is one of those. In fact, I probably have one. Here it is. Infinite squares. So these guys, they flip open. You can. It's kind of like a fidget toy. You can flip them many different directions, make different squares. But this one is already decorated. This one's blank, so you can decorate your own. Get different images on different sides, another image when you flip it into the other arrangement. But yeah, so that's cool, very cool. This was $30, $29. A straw in case you know, you want to do some cocaine. That's probably not what it's for. What do we got here? Oh, this is a complete kit. It comes with gesso. And if you're not familiar with gesso, gesso is like a surface prep for acrylic painting. It kind of is like your primer a little bit. So it comes with gesso, very good. It comes with a small vial of clear varnish, very good to protect your paint. I don't know what this is. Let's open it. This appears to be a pencil case you can customize. And it's either has ears on it here, or maybe they're feet. Maybe you're gonna make feet. I don't know, it's up to you, it's your customization. So that's very cool. Not sure what's in this wooden case. The case alone is very cool. I like that. What's inside? Pull the lid off. Oh yeah, heck yeah. This is a pair of wooden sunglasses. Oh wow, these are kind of cool. There's a pair of wooden sunglasses. Should I take these off? Let's try them on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So there's a pair of wooden sunglasses in there that you can customize yourself, paint them up. I can't see without my glasses. I should probably get contacts. So that's cool. Keep in mind, $29 he was selling this kit for. I'm gonna have to move some stuff onto the ground because I'm running out of room. I have a feeling this is what that straw was really for. I don't think he put it in there just for cocaine use. But maybe, I mean, I don't know. You know, live and let live. Okay, so it came with a tumbler. Definitely what the straw was for. And it's a plain white tumbler that you can customize yourself, customize it out. So that's very cool. What else do we got? Okay, so this is what gets me. It came with 3 packs of Yono acrylic paint markers. 3 packs. Now, these are not cheap markers. They're up there pretty close to Posca or Posca, whatever you want to say. This pack here was probably on its own, probably close to 20 bucks. Probably 15 bucks for these 4 markers, and probably, you know, 17, 18 bucks for these smaller markers. So just in the acrylic paint marker value alone, for $29, I mean, it's a no-brainer. What else do we have? I don't know what these are. It's some sort of 3M attachment pieces. I'll have to read. I don't know what those are for. Or these. Oh, okay, I bet I do know. So there's some little pen backs, like you're gonna make some pens. And if I remember from the video, yeah, he included 4 sheets of this clear shrink film. So at my age, we used to have something called Shrinky Dinks, where you would draw a design or color a design on a piece of plastic film, and then you'd put it in the oven, and it would shrink down from the original size down to like maybe 1/3 of the size, and it would get thicker, obviously, as it shrinks, because it's still the same mass. But you would make Shrinky Dinks, and here he's included the shrink film, so you can make your own with the paint markers, and I'm guessing this has something to do with that. You can make buttons and stuff. But yeah, that's what I think that is. And then finally, he included a sketchbook that you can customize. Very nice, very solid sketchbook. So not only did I help support a YouTuber and artist that I'm a big fan of, but man, I got a heck of a deal. So a lot of people were complaining about the shipping. If you're here in the U.S. and you're like me, you have Amazon Prime and many other things, you're used to free shipping. But here in the U.S., I think the shipping cost me $14. And it wasn't about getting a great value for me. It wasn't about taking advantage of this fire sale or something like that. So I did not care what the shipping cost. I didn't care if he would have charged full price. If the guy needs help him out. It's a worthy cause. But yeah, so it cost me, I think, $43 and some change altogether to be shipped here. But still, man, that's an amazing deal. And I got to help out somebody that I look up to. So I just wanted to share that with you, and I'm gonna box this all back up. I don't know if I'm gonna, I'm torn between wanting to use this product myself or save it to give to somebody as a gift. I think this would be a great gift to give somebody. You could break this out at a kid's party and definitely put a tarp down. But, or, you know, any kind of little gathering, if you guys wanted to get together and just customize some stuff and have some fun, you could certainly do that. I think it'd be a good gift to give someone, but we'll see. I'm maybe too tempted to try these guys out. I've never tried the brand. I've just heard about them. So yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Peace.